So for this video, we'll talk about this one, that this is the limits of x squared minus 1 over x minus 1 as x approaches 1. So as you can see, if we will just substitute 1 here, dito, if we will put 1, for example, we will substitute 1 and then minus 1 over 1 minus 1, the answer will be 0 over 0. So what you will do here is you have to find a way na yung value niya ay hindi maging 0. So in this case, what you will do is, as you can see, you can factor x squared minus 1, right? You can factor that 1 to x squared minus 1 and x squared plus 1. So we can rewrite this one as limits of x plus 1 times x minus 1, okay, all over x minus 1 as x approaches to 1. So as you can see, merong x minus 1 din merong x minus 1. We can cancel that out. So what is left is the x plus 1. So what is left is x plus 1. So that will now become the limits of x plus 1 over, x plus 1 na lang pala. Okay, as x approaches, let me write it 1. Okay, so let me write it. And now it will become 1 plus 1. So the answer now is 2. Okay.